Welcome to Anil TV Educations. Today our topic is models. So here we discuss how the models has been used. So here we know that models or modal auxiliaries are nothing but it helps in the main verbs. So here modify helps in the meaning of the main verbs. So they combine with the noun main verbs to show possibility, ability, permission, duty, necessity, ability, etc. These all comes under modal auxiliary. So here modal auxiliaries include verbs such as can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would, ouch. Such words are there. So here how it functions we will see now. So here the modal word are what? Can. So cannot, can't. So here this how it functions here in ability. First it comes in ability, possibility, permission, request. So here ability. So here the example, I can drive a bicycle. So here can is used as ability. So here next possibility. It can be completed tomorrow. So here it shows about possibility. The work will be finished on the by tomorrow. So here can is used. So next permission. Can I be excused now, please? So here it permission. Can is used in permission. Requested. Can you give me a glass of water, please? So here can is used. Now we will discuss about may. Now we discuss about the models could, could not, couldn't. So here how the functions here. It functions in past ability. So here example, I could carry heavy things a few years ago. So he describes about the past. So here past abilities is there. Could is used here. Next second one, possibility or probability. So here it could rain tonight. So it may be rain or it may not be. So here it describes about possibility. So here could. So permission. Could I borrow this book, please? So here could is used. So in request, can you pass me the salt, please? So here could is used. So here in next suggestion, we could try one of the other shop. So here suggestion, if it is not available, we will go to another shop like that. We could try one the other shop. So here could is used.